Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Vlogmas episode 4. Right now, it is 11:04, and we got a Zoom call to do with David Patterson. Who is David Patterson? It's that dude in blue. We're gonna talk about the new Integra. It's a bunch of us, and we're gonna talk about the new Integra. He'll make a video about it eventually, but that's what's going on right now. Get that done, and then we'll see what else we get into for today's festivities. I think my engine harness is coming in today for the Integra, so if that happens, we can at least slap that on, and that could be today's title video. If not, then whatever I do, that's gonna be the video title. Fuck it. This won't be permanent. This is just for now. And look at Luna. Look at little old Luna. Luna, hey boo. So it's day 4 of Vlogmas. Don't know what's gonna be happening today, but as you've seen, I was on the call with David Patterson, Kenny from Humble Performance, his girlfriend, and the homie Kevin View, and we talked about the Integra stuff. You'll see that on David's channel. I'm pretty sure by the time this video out, it won't be done. But be sure to look out for That Dude in Blues video about that. It was pretty cool, nice opportunity. And now we're gonna go to my mom's birthday dinner, birthday lunch, and from there, we'll see what else we can get into. I'm still messing around with the microphone settings, so if it sounds a little too much, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to get it right. I just think this microphone is garbage. Yeah, so we'll see what's up. I was looking at new lenses last night. I might get the Sigma 10-20 with the f3.5 stop, the aperture of f3.5, because this is f-stop of 4.5, which is garbage. So if I can go a whole, like 1 degree, I guess, lighter, so more light can come in, perfect, good for low light. So I don't have to go to have an ISO of 64,000 or 12,800. That's garbage, but yeah, we'll see what else we can get into. That is crazy to me that you guys want to see a video of my girl's Accord Sport. That's nuts. But yeah, here it is, I guess. I mean, I don't know what to talk about it, but I'm gonna do an HFP kit on her car and lower it, put some wheels on it, make it look nice. Probably get a new front bumper because this thing is clapped. It's been through something, but I don't know, probably do something nice for her. Get her car nice. Goodbye, Mamacita. Back at it again at the Home Depot. All right, back at these numbers, and they don't have what we need. Cause I am not spending that. Nope. Wow, they're missing the one I need for the 275. That is crazy, man. I'm in Home Depot looking for home stuff. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? That is crazy. Went from car parts to lumber and door handles. Oh, fuck! Let me borrow $20.
I don't have $20.
Well, I'm gonna need to borrow $300. I gotta buy a new front door.
300.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some money.
I don't have any money.
All right, let me pawn your phone.
My phone?
Yeah, how much I can get for this? About 20?
1,000.
I'd probably at least get like a dub for this.
That's
Alright, say
1,000.
less. Go right to the pawn shop. It's a quick lick. Bro, what? You guys have no idea how much home improvement stuff costs until you have to buy. So much stuff we gotta get to, I guess, improve the home. We're probably looking at like, I don't know, a couple grand. All eyes. Hit the like button. And buy merch. Wow, so I think I figured out my mic issues. I have to film on creative auto instead of just regular auto. Cats are doing stuff in the background, but that's chosen. Yeah, now I got the mic settings perfect. Everything should sound more clear and crispier now. But yeah, this vlog sucked. Don't know what's going on. Tomorrow in the morning, me and Randy's heading down to the junkyard to pick up a door for Akira. I'll vlog everything. Everything should be solid, spicy, you feel me? My engine harness didn't come in the mail today, so what else is new? And yeah, that's what's going on. Podcast stuff actually comes tomorrow, so I should be able to film my first podcast tomorrow. So come back. There might be a podcast up tomorrow. So as a daily upload. No, I don't know. I have no idea. But car content should be on the way soon. Once I get the Integra back on the road, we can, you know, do some supercharged stuff. Get the car over here. Well, I gotta do the garage first, so we're gonna film videos on that stuff. You got a lot of stuff coming on, but the real reason why us creators do Vlogmas, and it's not because we want to create content for y'all. It is, but we trying to get paid. At the end of December, the YouTube ads are up, so people trying to upload more. That's what I'm doing. They might tell you, I just want to, yeah, because, I mean, obviously you want to create content. Creating content is what we, like, it's fun, it's passionate, but if we're being real, when it comes to Vlogmas in December, ad rates are up. You want to pump out as much content you can so you can make more money. The goal for me is to create a bunch of content and then, like, do mad giveaways. That's the goal, but, hey, bro, I don't know if that's gonna happen as I want to. I want to do a tour drive this year. I want to do a lot of stuff with Zosh this year, but next year should be the year that we go all out, man. We probably get an Evo, we get our 4Runner, we get more established. Just trying to grind it out, baby. Trying to pump out as much content as I can. I know the quality of the content may not be there due to me trying to flop cameras and lenses setups and everything. Like, this lens is dope. Like 1080 is nice. I just am not a fan of the static, the grain, the noise you're seeing right now. I want to get a better f-stop lighting lens with an f3.5. That would be great. So I'm gonna try to buy that Sigma lens, get that for a Christmas present or something. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, man. Nothing much happened. I went to Home Depot and realized how broke I am. And that's the title of this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like on the video. If you didn't, dislike the video. I don't know. It is what it is at this point. If you love black people, buy merch. That's funny, ain't it? I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one, man. I'm out. Peace.